Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-alright. Championship game na tayo sa individual events. Today is the day 32 of our daily message. Before we begin, we would like to greet a special person. Happy birthday to Pres Francis Demenso, our PTTF Region 4B President. Thank you for your dedication and continued support in developing table tennis in your region. We wish you good health, more success, and more years of service to our sport. Yun. Yan na mga kapongers ha. Last day na ngayon. Today is also the final day of UCAL 2026 table tennis as we now move into the individual events championship game, doubles, men's and girls. First of all, I would like to congratulate our winners in the team event. PCU men's team, congratulations. Champion PCU women's team, champions also. First runner-up in men's team event, MCU. Second runner-up, Men's University of Batangas. Some women's naman, first runner-up, University of Batangas. Second runner-up, PWU women's team. Congratulations to all teams for showing heart, discipline, and sportsmanship. Yun. Hindi ang laban dito. Every match is so close. And good luck to all players competing today. The championship game after this is the individual singles event. We are also all excited to witness the great matches and stay tuned for the awarding after the final of the day UCAL 2026 table tennis. We would like also to extend our sincere thanks to one of our major sponsors, the TG Flex Linoleum, for their strong support to UCAL 2026. Your contribution helps provide a better playing environment for our athletes and supports the continuous growth of table tennis in the Philippines. Thank you to Boss Horacio and Sir Bernard. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala at suporta. Now let me share today's message mga kapongers. Sa table tennis, madalas nating marinig team event, lalo na individual event. Okay? Sa team event, please remember mga kapongers, it is a teamwork. May kasama ka, may sumusuporta sa iyo. Sa individual event, ikaw lang mag-isa. Ikaw ang lalaban. Ikaw mananalo o matatalo. Pero para sa akin, mga kapongers, parehas lang yan. Wala masyadong pinagkaiba. Because in table tennis, especially inside the court battle, it is you. It is still you who is your true reliance. Yes, nandyan ang coach. Tama ka. Gagabayan ka, tutulungan ka makita ang weakness ng kalaban. Magbibigay ng strategy, techniques. But at the end of the day, please remember, ikaw pa rin ang mag-execute. Ikaw pa din ang gagalaw. Ikaw ang mag-adjust. Ikaw ang mag-iisip. At kailangan mo din kayanin lahat ng ito. Extra effort, advanced thinking, preparation. Especially kapag nagbago ang laban ng kalaro mo. Nag-adjust ang kalaban. Nag-iba ang strategy. Naging unpredictable ang game. Yun. Lahat ng ito ay kailangan handa ka. Hindi mo basta-basta makukuha sa laban lang yan. Nabubuo ito sa training, sa tiyaga, sa araw-araw na practice. Kailangan natin mag-focus lagi. Hindi ka pabaya. Hindi ka kampante. Because when moment comes, mga kapongers, lalabas ng lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. And always remember, the real battle is within yourself. And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, please help me share this so we can reach more people. If you would like to shout out, comment down below. And if you have a legitimate business or event that you would like to promote, just feel free to message me and I'll be happy to support you. Let's continue to grow together. And this is Coach Sting again. And this is the day 32 of our daily message, mga kapongers. See you again tomorrow from the world of table tennis. Bye.